Yeah. Check it out. See, the only thing you need to do right here is nod your freaking head. Break your freaking neck, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go now. Here we going now. Here we going now.
Yes.
Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. Just give it away. Yeah, here we go now. See what you gonna do. Come here, man. Drop it, just talk to me. Give it back, give it away, give it to us. Whenever you talking, when you trying to walk for me, the way you really trying to put it on. Now I'm doing it like a little bit of a for me. The way you break your back and I break your neck, and the way you trying to put it on the floor for me. Come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah, take a listen to that. Okay, let me let you out one time when I lock it down and I hit you with that. That comes. That's the one way you be making a drop. Y'all know every time we come through this motherfucker, we always taking a run. So let me kill this. Just know when we come, we be making it clap, the way we making it happen, niggas don't stop. Bust around now, ain't no pee now. What you got?